Let's go, everyone. Today we'll be unboxing reusable face masks that are designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. So Apple designed their own COVID face mask during the pandemic, and looks like it's reusable. This size is a medium and large face, right over here for medium and large face. And it says, for more information on how to use this face mask, please visit welcomefor.apple.com. So these face masks are intended for employees only. Let's see, I was able to get my hand on one of these. Alright, let's see. Okay, very Apple-y. Looks like a very premium product for a face mask. These are not for sale, only given out to employees to use. Let's see, so opening this, has some instructions to wash your hands. Open the mask up. Okay, so this is a cool package. Definitely the most premium face mask I've ever seen. Let's see, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Alright, feels premium. Okay, so there's, looks like multiple sets of these. Okay, three so far of these reusable face masks. Packages in size medium to L. Oh, wow, there's actually 5 of them. So, looks like this is a pretty big kit. Okay, I'll set aside 4 of them. Open up this one. Let's see. Don't know. Is it here that you open them from? Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it's here. I think that's what this vertical line indicates. Alright. Alright, yeah, so you do peel from here. Here we go. Okay. Okay, it's pretty well sealed. Makes sense because it's like a medical type of mask. Pulling this open. Alright, then you have these strings here. Okay, so these are the ear loops that feel like a loop around your ear. Let me flip this over. Okay. Let's see, any Apple logo on this? Nope, don't see any Apple logo on the mask. Let's see, feeling the texture is very more like papery compared to the cloth masks or surgical masks that I've been using too. Definitely feels like it's made out of some sort of recycled material. It does feel more papery, so you can see how thin it is. This is how it flexes. Okay, let me open up one of these. Oh, okay. So this is where your mouth would go in. Looks like since there's the, okay, yeah, it feels pretty, so you can mold it to your nose shape. Okay, but, so you can see how it's kind of transparent. Interesting. Yeah, and I think you could hear it's pretty flimsy, pretty papery. Alright, now let's see. Let me set this aside for a little bit. Okay, got everything out of the box. But over here, you have the clips. Oh, okay, so this is how you tighten it. So it looks like there's 2 ways of using these Apple face masks. You can have them like this version where it's tied over each ear, like the standard surgical mask. And it looks like there's another method where you have it tie completely in the back of your head for more secure fit. And let me see. Take this out. Oh, okay. It's nice how they use cardboard to keep together all their packaging. So, okay, so don't exactly know how this goes on. Oh, is it? Let me see. Do I loop it through? Oh, okay. I think it's. Oh, that's how it works. So if you pull it. Wait, is that how it works? No, that would fall off. I think it's I'm guessing this goes in front of this smaller piece now. Okay. No. Well, I think they go together. Then you could adjust accordingly over your ear. But I think I'm missing something. Is this? Yeah, I'll have to play with this. I don't know how comfortable this looks, but yeah, I'm sure this tightening thing, I need to work to figure it out. They don't really have clear. Oh, I guess on the version where it's behind the ear, kind of confused how it tightens, but I'm sure it's some sort of. Just don't know if it's supposed to be behind this. Let me try behind this again, because this is how it came. It came with this piece to tighten, but these earpieces, I'm a little confused how this all works. Because I feel like this feels loose. I mean, it's, from this angle, I feel like it could come off during day-to-day wear, but maybe you're just supposed to tighten it once and leave it. Okay. Let's see. Try to show you guys what the Apple face mask adjustable piece looks like. Yeah, I'm probably doing something wrong. If you guys know, please let me know how this works. But overall, not sure how comfortable it is compared to the cloth and surgical mask I have, but good unboxing experience. Feels like an Apple product. Pretty cool that they designed their own masks for employees, and no Apple logo on here though. Oh, is this? No, this is a medium and large logo right here. No Apple logo though. Cool. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.